Hi, I'm Tony Crummers. The Leaving of Liverpool. It's a great song for beginners. It's only got 3 chords in it. It's a sea shanty, and it's one of the songs I use in my course for absolute beginners. You can find details of that and download it for free. Details are at the end. I'll sing it, and then I'll go through the chords and say a bit more about it and the strumming patterns I'm using. Farewell to you, my own true love. I am going far away. I am bound for California, but I know that I'll return someday. So farewell, my own true love. When I return united we will be. It's not the leaving of Liverpool that grieves me, my darling, when I think of thee. I have shipped on a Yankee clipper ship. Davy Crockett is her name, and Burgess is the captain, and they say that she's a floating hell. So farewell, my own true love. When I return, united we will be. It's not the leaving of Liverpool that grieves me, but my darling, I think of thee. I am bound for California by way of stormy Cape Horn. I will write to thee a letter, my love, when I am homeward bound. So farewell, my own true love. When I return, united we will be. It's not the leaving of Liverpool that grieves me, but my darling, when I think of thee. As I say, this is a sea shanty recorded by many popular folk singers and groups since the 1950s. It was recorded by the Clancy Brothers and Tommy Makem. They had a top hit in the song in Ireland in 1964. It's also been adapted by several artists, notably the Dubliners and the Celtic punk band The Pogues. Well, there's only 3 chords in this song, which makes it very suitable for beginners. There's a C chord, an F chord, and a G7 chord. That's all. Notice when I move from an F chord to a G7, I keep that one finger down. It gives an anchor point, makes it a lot easier to move. Same is true here. When you move from a G7 to a C, keep that finger down and just slide it up. The strumming pattern can be whatever you wish. I'm not a fan of strumming patterns that go all the way through a song, but this one goes nicely with 1, 2 and 3, 4, 1, 2 and 3, 4, and I start off with it as an introduction and using a fan stroke going across all 4 strings at a time. You start with your little finger, go across all 4 strings, then your third finger, second finger, first finger, and finally with the thumb. Takes a little to get used to it, but it elongates it, makes it a bit more interesting. But I've used other rhythms as well, all the way through. If you want to know more about rhythms, have a look at my video on strumming patterns on the ukulele. And I've also got a shorter version as well. Notice the chord pattern is a C, F, C. Farewell to you, my own true love. And then it's a C, G7, going far away. Then again it's the same pattern, C, F, C, California. And then the same again, I know that I'll return, but finishing with a C. The chorus starts with a D7. Well, my own true love, when I return united we will be. And then you're back to Leaving of Liverpool that grieves me, my darling, when I think of thee. Well, I hope you enjoyed that, and we'll have a go. It's a great sort of historical sea shanty, and it's fun to sing. But whatever you do, however you do it, have fun.